Right, park the car here. What mods are you planning?
I want to swap out the grille to give the car a sharper look.
Got it? Since this is a 2025 ES, I'd recommend this dark gray LS style grille. It'll make the car look way more aggressive.
Perfect. Let's go with the LS grille.
Cool, just hand me the keys.
To go off like a weapon, fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession, I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex, haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like